Students, now we will see adaptation strategies. So first topic is characterizing adaptation strategies. The Odyssey project at Carnegie Mellon University was one of the first application aware middleware system, and it serves as a good model for understanding application aware adaptation. So this Odyssey is using operating system as well as the application software for the adaptation. So in describing the Odyssey system, Satyanarayan proposed several measures that are useful for classifying the goodness of an adaptation, like the fidelity, agility and concurrency. These measures are proposed by the Satyanarayan. So fidelity measures the degrees to which the data item available to the application matches a reference copy. Means if the client is accessing some copy, okay, and that is on the server, and the client is accessing that copy, so this fidelity matches the copy at the client and the server. The reference copy for a data item is considered as the exemplar or the ideal copy for that data item. Means the copy which is stored on the server is considered as the exemplar, and the versions of the data, that is mobile computer, would prefer given number of resource constraints. So fidelity spans many dimensions including the quality and consistency. Means it consists of frame rate, then audio quality. So if the exemplar copy is considered as 100% fidelity, and if the client is accessing it with the 50% fidelity because of the resource constraint, so that copy is called as a 50% fidelity, which is in the black and white still frames. And if suppose, for example, client is disconnected with the server, there is no connection between the client and server, and the copy of the server is replaced 2-3 times, okay, and the one of the copy is available to the client, the copy available at the client is same as copy at the server, but still it is having a low fidelity because it is a stale copy or it is not a recent copy, okay. Then the second thing is agility. So agility measures an adaptation middleware responsiveness to changes in the resource level. For example, a high agile system will determine quickly and accurately that network bandwidth has increased or decreased substantially, okay, or for example fresh battery is inserted into the system. So that is the agility. And the third measure is the concurrency. For example, the last generation of PDA uses a single threaded operating system, but whereas today's PDA uses a multitasking OS in which we can perform the multiple tasks. So that is the concurrency. Next is Odyssey application, that is the application where adaptation. The architecture of Odyssey. This is the architecture of Odyssey. Here we will see this in detail that we have seen in the first unit also. So Odyssey is the here the applications are assisted by the Odyssey middleware in making the decision concerning the fidelity levels. This Odyssey architecture uses the collaboration of the system software as well as the application software, okay. This Odyssey provides a good model for understanding the issues in application where adaptation, because the high level architecture is clean, and this architecture uses the different components like interceptors, which is reside in the OS kernel, after that wardens and voice RAI, okay. So application interact with Odyssey using the file system call, and that is the interceptor which resides in the kernel. Next component is warden. A warden is a type specific component responsible for handling all adaptation related operation for a particular sort of data stream. and between the application and the data stream the warden is fit, and all the data stream is goes through the warden. Okay, and the last component is voice RAI. It is a type independent component that is responsible for global resource control. All the wardens are statically compiled with the voice RAI, means all the wardens are binds with this voice RAI. Okay, and the type of resource monitored by the voice RAI in ODC is network bandwidth, cache, battery power, and CPU. Next is sample ODC application. So this is the sample ODC application. Xanem is the sample ODC application. Xanem video player. The Xanem video player was modified to use the ODC to adapt up to varying network condition with 3 fidelity levels. The 2 levels of JPEG compression, and the third one is for black and white frames. Okay, so the first two is having the fidelity of 99 and 50%, and the black and white content is labeled as a 1%. So as shown in the figure, a video warden prefetches the frames from the video server with the appropriate fidelity and supplies the application with metadata for the video being played and with the individual frames of the video. Okay, so that is the Xanem video player, and this the performance of this system is tested using the simulated bandwidth of 140 kbps, and that is a high bandwidth, and 40 kb for low bandwidth. And the number of technologies, or we can say strategies, are used like step up, step down, then impulse up, impulse down. These strategies are used, and the result of this is the ODC maintain average fidelity of 73, 76, 50 and 98% for step up, step down, impulse up and impulse down. Okay, so thank you so much.